So you might be in a situation where your controller is drifting like crazy on your specific MetaQuest headset. So whether you have the MetaQuest, MetaQuest Pro, MetaQuest 2, whichever device you have, the very first thing I'd recommend taking a look at is determining that whether this was a software issue or a hardware issue. Now, if this is actually like internally, like you have a component that's messed up, there's not really a crazy amount you can do. You can replace your controller, you can take it apart, but a few things that you can do, first of all, that I recommend doing on any joystick is kind of moving your joystick to the side, very much like this, and pretty much blowing in a little bit of air from each corner of this specific joystick. Now, the reason I recommend that and why a lot of people recommend that is because sometimes over time, you can actually have crumbs and dust kind of get stuck in the back behind of this component right here. So maybe your hardware isn't affected, it's just that the joystick is just kind of messed up. So all you're really going to have to do here is to go ahead and just blow on each side. So just blow on this side, top, bottom, left, right. Go ahead and blow on each component, and that might end up fixing the problem too. Now sometimes it can be sometimes a software issue, very, very rarely, but you can try seeing if you can update your MetaQuest headset. That's another thing you can try doing as well. But another thing that a lot of people recommend doing is actually getting some sort of bacteria antiseptic, so some sort of isopropyl alcohol. That's what a lot of people recommend. And you don't have to go crazy with this stuff. I've seen this stuff work. I've seen this stuff not work either. It just depends on the severity of the drift and if it's a hardware issue. So what people recommend doing is getting just a very, very small amount. So just take off the top, put a little bit onto a napkin. You don't want to douse it in, the specific, liquid. You don't want to go crazy. And you probably have some, antiseptic alcohol wipes on your house. So just go and pour a little bit on a napkin. And when you do that, what you want to do, and it's a little complicated because we have this wand thing going up at the top, but you can go ahead and kind of slightly kind of dab your specific, joystick with a little bit of this joystick on the sides like this with the alcohol, wiping. And from here, that's all you're pretty much going to have to do. Let it sit there for a little bit of time, let it kind of wipe out. And then from there, once it's dried, give it a try again, and that might end up fixing the problem. So those are a few different ways to fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.